teach you how to get pop or something in the vending machine for the price of $1 or something.
Yeah,
or however, you could get like 2 things in for the price of 1.
Tell him he just got 5, man. He just got 5.
Yeah, he just got 5. Okay, I just got 5. Here, hold it. Okay, first, put in your money and pick what you're gonna get. So, let's say I want C3.
C3.
Put in your money. Put in your money. C3 is $1.50. So put in the money. Now watch. I'm gonna enter in C3. But first, put your hand here and block this black door over here. So watch. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna block it. C3. Oh, it's sold out. So because I did it before. So C4. C4. Now watch. It will try to get in. It's trying to get in. It doesn't work. So it tries again. It flips over and it gives you, watch, look. It gave me my money back. $2 coins, because that's how much I paid, right? So now, since that's down there, I'm going to get something else. So let's say I want, what do you want? Just pick something.
For sure. What do you want?
You know what? I can't waste time. I'm going to get a pib. I'm going to get a pib.
A3.
Okay, I'm going to get a Coca-Cola. No, you got a video. I'm going to get a Coca-Cola. So, put in the money, type in A3, and let it go. Now watch. This is where the awesome stuff happens. Now watch. Boom. Boom. Get the spread out here. 2. Boom. 2 pops for the price of 1. And I still got my 50 cents back. That's how you hack a vending machine.
Well, that's it, guys.
Yeah. Thanks.